Just to recap, early in the morning, wash your eyes with mouth full of water. Then 1 hour before breakfast, drink homemade tonic made out of Gurbandi almonds, whole black pepper, thread mishri and cow milk. Take care of your eyes in the office as well. Then 30 minutes before going to sleep at night, have a mixture of Mahatrifla Ghrit and Abhrag Basam followed by a glass of warm milk. Just before sleeping, massage the soles of your feet using Mahatrifla Ghrit and finally put 2 drops each of it in the eyes. Then sleep well. Ayurveda has a set of simple practices through which thousands of people have already recovered their lost vision. To this day, modern doctors won't be able to digest this fact, but Ayurveda clearly states that irrespective of what your age is, all you need are a few natural ingredients, conviction in your mind, and a strong determination to get rid of the crutches forever. Vision. It is important that you take your eye wash routine to the next level. To accomplish that, first fill your mouth full with water. This expands the eye muscles properly. Now splash cold water on the eyes a few times. This will give an instant cooling effect to the eyes. You can feel it. But wait, it's not over yet. Once your eyes are wide awake and cool, a rose water wash is the next thing to do. You need to buy one eye wash cup, easily available in optical and Ayurvedic shops. I have even linked it in the description box for you to buy it online. Put about 15 drops of pure gulab jal along with cold water in it. Now place it on any one eye first. Ensure that the water does not spill out from the sides. Open your eye and let the gulab jal mixed water touch the eye surface. Move your pupil in all directions so that the water gets circulated properly inside the eye. Spend about 1 minute doing this. Now throw this water away and refill the cup in the same way with fresh water and gulab jal. Place it in the same way on the other eye and follow the procedure for 1 minute again. Now this completes your eye wash routine in the morning. This itself is tremendously helpful to calm down any inflammation, which is one of the root causes of weak eyesight. Moving on to step number 2. Alright then, after eye wash, the next step is to drink this powerful homemade tonic that will directly nourish the nerves of the eyes, helping restore lost vision. Take 7 soaked and peeled almonds. Not the regular California almonds, but Gurbandi almonds. Gurbandi almonds are small sized almonds native of Indian subcontinent, which are way more richer in oil, vitamin A, E and other nutrients helpful for the eyes. Along with this, you will need 4 seeds of whole black pepper. Sweeten it with a bit of thread mishri. Put all the 3 in a mortar and using a pestle, crush them together to form a smooth paste. Now take a pan on low flame and put 1 glass of milk in it. Add the paste in it. Now let the milk boil for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes or so, turn off the gas and pour it in a glass. Do not strain out the mixture. Drink this powerful formulation slowly, sip by sip. Let it nourish the eye cells. Now to get the maximum benefit, it is important that you do not eat anything for the next 1 hour. After that, you can have your regular breakfast. Moving on. Amp up the speed by as much as 2 times. Take breaks every 45 minutes, close your eyes for a while and sip some water before you get back to work. At times, you should also rub your palms together and place it over the eyes. Whenever free, press some acupressure points, move your pupils around. Then every time you go to the washroom, be sure to wash your eyes after filling mouth with water. Did you know this?
Can I be your superhero?
Alright then, 30 minutes before going to sleep at night, you have to take a mixture of 1 teaspoon of Mahatrifla Ghrit along with 250 milligrams of Abhrag Basam. Follow this up with 1 glass of warm milk. Mahatrifla Ghrit is a combination of ghee along with over dozen herbs that calm the heat and dryness of the eyes. Abrak Bhasam on the other hand is prepared from mica and several other indigenous herbs. Both Mahatriphala Ghrith and Abrak Bhasam are classical Ayurvedic medicines highly effective in treating eye disorders. Coming to step number 4, just before sleeping, take a few drops of Mahatriphala Ghrith on your hands and massage the soles of your feet. The nerves beneath the soles are directly connected to the optic nerves. This instantly increases blood circulation, which helps improve vision. Finally, the last step is to put a couple of drops of the same Mahatriphala Ghrith in each of your eyes. Wait for about 10 minutes before you open them. The eyes will go blurry for a while, and that's when you know that ghee has seeped well into the eyes.